I'm Jason.
I'm Todd.
This is our little child Ziggy. Say hello, Ziggy.
Hi, Ziggy.
And we're the Glamping Guys. Hey everybody, so today is a bittersweet day. We decided to sell Wally a few months earlier than we anticipated because we thought that we could just use that money for the down payment on our truck. So I put an ad on Craigslist yesterday, and guess what? He has already sold. We sold it to a young couple. They are doing a cross-country cycling trip, and they needed a smaller RV so they could pretty much fit into any place that they needed to go. So they're coming by tomorrow morning to pick up Wally. Hopefully, if they're not camera shy, I'll be able to do a little bit of video footage of them driving off and saying hi to everybody. But if not, this will probably be it for the video because it's just a very, very quick update. And then sometime next week, we should be having our truck delivered to the dealership, and I'm gonna be showing you guys a separate video of the truck tour. And we're really excited. It's all coming together, guys, and we are so excited to be sharing this next phase of our journey with all of you. And we hope you have a fantastic day, and stay tuned. So the new owners just got here and they are getting ready to head over to the tag and title, but Wally is sold. Bye Wally, bye Wally. And there they go. Wally's got a new home. I'm gonna miss you, Wally, so much, but he's got good new owners. It's kind of weird seeing Wally driving off without me behind the wheel. There he goes. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching and have a fabulous day.
Leave a comment to say hi. If you like us, please subscribe. And if you don't, our little fluffy dog will attack you.